This is a fat quarter. I'm going to cut into 9x6 mask, and this is how I do it. So this fat quarter is folded in half, and I'm going to square up the end. So the fold has to be on the straight line of this whole length. Or it's better if it does. And so I move it over to the 1 inch line and let what I don't want to keep go between the 1 inch and the 0. And then I use a rotary cutter. This is a Frisker's. If I can get the safety off. There we go. Alright, so I got it on the one here. And the one up there, right on the line. I always start in the middle, down and up, and throw away. Except my trash can's not there. Okay, so now we're ready to line it up. And I made my decision of what size these cuts would be. First of all, the fabric is yellow. That's not a man color, generally. So these need to be 9x6 or 7x5 in children's sizes. I decided to go with the 9x6. So these are going to be, they're 9 inches going this way, and there'll be 6 inches going here, so I'll cut it 6. Since I've lined it back up on the 0, it's 0 to 6, so we got, let's scoot that up on the edge there, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and then I can't get another one. So I'm going to go down through here and cut these every 6 inches. Make sure you get lined up straight. If you get them crooked, it's a little aggravating when you try to get it all lined up later. 6, 12, and I like to cut more than 2 layers at a time, but for this video I'm just showing you 2 layers at a time. Normally I cut 4 to 6. This is 18, and that one might be a tiny bit off because of that little thing, so it's good to keep that straight. 24, and 30. This piece is too small to make a 5x7, so it goes in the scrap pile. To make, it'll be cut down into other sizes that I save for quilting. There'll probably be a video on that later. So these need to be cut to 9 inches. So this is the straight side. So we're going to put this on the 19 mark. I don't know if you can see that, but it is on the 19 mark. So I know I need to cut it at 10. And then that piece will be 2 inches wide. So there's more options to use it for something else. 2-inch wide strip would have been better. So if I'm really good, I could stack these up and cut 2 at a time. You have to get your corners together. Actually, it's cutting 4 at a time. 2 stacks. Put that on the 10. So 19, so you got 10. We're on the 10 mark of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Doesn't hurt to verify. down and up. Scraps to save, 9x6s. The fold line, we're on a 19 and straight on this line. Scraps for quilting, the 9x6 pile. And one more. So I cut 2 stacks of 4, that's 8, 9, 10. So I just cut 10 layers in this amount of time. That's it.